What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today we're going to be showing you how to use a Dr. ColorChip on all your rock chips and road rash. A huge thank you to Dr. ColorChip for sponsoring this video. Now guys, before we reach out to companies for sponsorships, we like to test and review the products before reaching out to them because we don't want to stand behind a product that's crappy. And Dr. ColorChip is not. It is fast, simple, dramatic, professional repairs, just like it says on the box. It's very easy to use and the results are incredible. So this is the one they sent me for the sponsorship, but we purchased it in the past for the BMW and the Range Rover and it did a great job. So they have a few different kits. Let me show you what they included in this one here. So they send you a microfiber. There's 3 brushes, the paint of course, and then the shellac. Now this is used after the paint dries for a few minutes and you use that to blend it in the area and it feathers it in really nice. So Evan went around and taped up all the rock chips that he saw that we're gonna have to touch up. This one here, that's pretty deep.
Now there are like patches because of the road rash, so I didn't really want to go overboard and tape, but we know where most of the road rash is.
Yeah.
This is the front bumper and the sides.
A lot of the road rash is in there, but all the other ones are all rock chips. A quick walk around, taping off, making life easier. Now the first thing you want to do is get some alcohol, not wine or beer or anything like that, but and I'm gonna dab some on a microfiber and I'm gonna clean this area, concentrating in the middle. You want to remove any wax buildup, any dirt, and also paying attention if there's any loose paint, we're going to want to scrape that. Now back here, there's a little bit of paint lifting up, and we definitely want to get that off. So I'm just using a little screwdriver. You can use a paper clip, just open it up, thumbtack, just something to scrape that little lifted area off. I'm just going to hit it again with the alcohol. So the next step is get the paint and shake it up. There's a little ball in there. You can hear it. Shake well. And I forgot this kit that they sent me. It comes with a squeegee too, and we use this for the road rash. So I'm gonna take this brush here, and they say you don't want to put it right on it. You want to put it outside the area. And then you're gonna take your finger and wipe it. And it looks, we're gonna need to put another coat on there.
So then you're just gonna layer it, and then until you get the even surface you want.
Right. The shellac, you want to shake that up as well. You don't need much of this. Just a few dabs on the rag they give you on this here. All you need is a few dabs of it. So I'm going to work around the chip to get the excess off there first. Now the whole point of touch-up paint is it's not going to be 100% perfect, but this is the best product we found on the market that will hide these defects the best. I was worried about the metallic paints, but they matched it really good.
They did.
All right, for these deep ones, you just need to be patient. You may need 5, 6, 7 passes on it. This is our second coat. It's building up, but we're getting there. All right, so we just applied our 4th coat, and we're gonna let this one dry a little longer. It's perfectly safe. This product is clear coat safe, so you won't hurt anything by letting it cure a little bit longer. So while we let that one chip dry, this one is a lot deeper. I wanna address this one next. I'm gonna put it directly on the chip. This one down here. There's a little one right. Oh, let me put the excess on this one here first. There's a little one right there. Let's put one more coat on those. The other one's gone. All right. So when you're using the shellac, you don't want to put any pressure. You just glide it back and forth because then it's just going to take the paint right out of the chip. All right, can you guys find it? We're gonna do one more coat. It's still right there, but it is looking really good. So Evan has a little trick. Evan, show him what you did there. You put a little dab on the squeegee, right?
Yeah, I put it right there. Hopefully this is enough. So it's right there. It's really hard to tell now where it is, but I'm just gonna try to line it up and then quickly just go over it like that.
All right, so 6 coats later, can you guys find it? This stuff works great. What do you think, Evan?
I like it. It's my first time using it too.
It just takes time and patience. That's the key to it. Don't rush it. Don't press too hard. So that will do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions at all, make sure you drop them in the comments below. If you are new, please make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and ring that bell for notifications so you never miss a video. We will see you in the next one.